What if your perfume website didn't just scroll, but felt like a luxury fashion campaign? Imagine guiding visitors through a fragrance story, one immersive screen at a time, where every scroll reveals a new chapter. To demonstrate it, we are going to build a luxury perfume storytelling website. Let's begin by creating the first chapter of our fragrance story. The goal of this section is to create an immediate emotional connection. I am using large typography, minimal copy, and a strong hero image to establish a premium first impression. Every luxury fragrance begins with carefully selected ingredients. In this section, we will tell the story behind the scent. So, I am showing the ingredients helps visitor connect with the craftsmanship behind the fragrance. Now, great fragrance brands don't just sell products, they sell emotions, memories, and experiences. That's exactly what we will create in this section. Focus on mood and emotion rather than product features. Finally, we will end the story with a clean and focused call to action. Also, the storytelling journey should naturally lead visitors toward taking action. At this point, our perfume story is complete. It already looks great, but right now it still behaves like a traditional landing page. Let's transform it into a premium storytelling experience using feature Scroll Snap. So what exactly is Scroll Snap? Scroll Snap is an Elementor feature that locks section into place while visitors scroll through your page. Instead of free-flowing scrolling, each section snaps into position, helping you control exactly how your content is presented. This makes it perfect for visual-heavy websites like luxury brands, portfolios, product showcases, event pages, and storytelling landing pages. Before using Scroll Snap, we need to activate the feature. So I'm turning on this feature in Page Setting Advanced section. Scroll Snap works best when each section fills the entire screen. This creates a presentation style experience where each chapter of story gets its own moment. With a snap position, you can choose whether section locked to the top, center, or bottom of the viewport. For this perfume website, I am choosing center because it keeps both visuals and messaging perfectly framed on screen. Now, if you are using a sticky header and in your design some content may get hidden during snapping. So to solve this, use scroll padding. It creates an offset. Now in Scroll Snap Stop, you can set it to always. This forces the browser to stop at every section and your visitor to experience every chapter of your story. Now this is our finished result showing. To complete experience, you can add subtle animations. I have also prepared video background page. So let's see how it looks. So that's our perfume storytelling website. If you find this useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.